Hello my friends. Welcome back to our fun English learning time. Today we are going to learn about pronouns. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's remember something. In our last lessons, we learned about nouns. Nouns are names of people, places, animals, or things. But sometimes, using the same noun again and again can sound strange. So we use pronouns instead. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Let's look at an example. Ravi is my friend. Ravi likes to play football. Ravi is very kind. We are repeating the word Ravi many times. Instead, we can say, Ravi is my friend. He likes to play football. He is very kind. The word he is a pronoun because it replaces the noun Ravi. Let's learn some common pronouns. I, used when you talk about yourself. Example, I am happy. You, used when talking to someone. Example, you are my friend. He, used for a boy or a man. Example, he is running. She, used for a girl or a woman. Example, she is reading a book. It, used for animals or things. Example, it is a cute puppy. We, used when you talk about yourself and others. Example, we are playing together. They, used for many people or things. Example, they are singing. Let's try some fun examples. The boy is happy. He is happy. The girl is dancing. She is dancing. The dog is sleeping. It is sleeping. Tom and Sam are friends. They are friends. Great job! Let's play a quick game. I say a sentence, and you find the pronoun. She is reading a book. She. They are playing in the park. They. He is my brother. He. Amazing. You are learning so well. So remember. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Using pronouns makes our sentences shorter and easier to understand. Try this at home. Look at people around you and make sentences using pronouns. Learning English can be fun and exciting. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling. See you in the next lesson. Bye my friends.